Hey guys, what's happening? How to send Bitcoin from Kraken Pro to another wallet. So basically, in order for this to work out, you need to use the Kraken app on your phone or Kraken wallet on your phone, because the Kraken Pro is only for, charts, analysis, trading, and basically, those things, right? So if you want to trade using your phone, right, instead of your desktop, you're gonna basically need to use the Kraken Pro, right? Because the Kraken wallet is only for investment only, like holding or selling. So we're gonna use the Kraken app or Kraken wallet. So I'm gonna go back to my screen and then go ahead and use the Kraken wallet. Make sure to verify your credentials, right? And then what you're gonna do, we're gonna select the crypto. So I'm gonna go ahead to my portfolio and see my asset, and I'm gonna select Bitcoin, right? So I'm gonna hit Bitcoin, and then under the balance you're gonna see deposit and withdraw. Just go ahead and hit withdraw right here, and then select the network that the other platform deals with, right? So most or more famously, Bitcoin network or Lightning, well known, Inc, Ethereum, or OP Mint, or Mainnet, excuse me, or on-chain, and then you're gonna see the short name for each one. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna select Bitcoin, then enter the amount, say 1 Bitcoin, and then under the $1 you're gonna see add new address, right? So go ahead and click the Bitcoin again and enter the withdraw address, right, generated from that wallet, from that other wallet. Then continue to confirm that you want to withdraw the Bitcoin to another wallet. So that's one of the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.